Settling into a long-haul flight, an intense study session, or a daily commute only to have your headphones pinch your ears, drop their Bluetooth connection, or worse, flash a low battery warning right as your favorite album starts, is an absolute nightmare that completely ruins your focus. Standard on-ear headphones are notorious for causing painful head pressure after just an hour of wear, while forcing you to constantly tether yourself to a wall outlet just to keep the music playing. The Beats Solo 4 wireless on-ear headphones completely rescue you from that daily audio fatigue, functioning as an ultra-premium, heavy-duty sonic workstation engineered to keep you comfortably immersed in your playlist for days on end. Wrapped in a stealthy, sophisticated matte black finish, these next-generation headphones weigh in at an ultra-lightweight 217 grams and feature re-engineered ultra-plush ear cushions that deliver a cloud-like, pressure-free fit against your ears. Beneath the sleek exterior lies an upgraded acoustic architecture packing custom-built 40mm transducers that minimize artifacts and distortion, pumping out a remarkably powerful, balanced sound profile with personalized spatial audio and dynamic head tracking. What truly secures its bragging rights is the jaw-dropping, heavy-duty battery life, delivering up to an incredible 50 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, paired with fast fuel technology that blasts a massive 5 hours of battery life from a quick 10-minute USB-C plug-in. Featuring native, one-touch compatibility for both Apple and Android ecosystems, it offers seamless pairing, device switching, and Find My tracking across platforms, while the high-definition built-in microphones use advanced voice targeting algorithms to ensure your voice comes through perfectly sharp on business calls or outdoor walks. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are rocking these on your daily commute or during intense gym workouts. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more practical tech and premium headphone breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.